If you're looking for a Hacienda-style home, then you've got to check this one out. From the wood ceilings to the golden details throughout, it's an easy place to fall in love with.
Casablanca has magic in every corner, and believe me, you can feel it.
Ocean views at home, and in just 5 minutes you're at the town or the National Park beach. This is Uvita Living, where the best of Costa Rica is right at your doorstep, whether as your residence or a high-performing income property.
Send us a message for more information.